Alright, so today I got my two boxes in that were both from EVIKE. This is the box of awesomeness, the Valentine's Day edition that just came out a week ago. And this one is a combination of a couple things I bought off EVIKE, and the swag pack is inside of here. I kind of know what this is because of how the weight is. The Valentine's Day one wasn't, in my opinion, the best one for what EVIKE has done for Box of Awesomenesses. This one was very overpriced, I think, for the stuff they had inside of it, but we'll see what we have in here. We'll look at this one first. And where's my knife? I don't have a very cool knife like most people do. So the first thing we'll look at is the swag pack. I didn't get anything big out of it, I just got the basic stuff. So if you take a look at this real quick. So we got a little light. Oops. The light, it changes different colors. It's pretty cool. It was $10, which isn't bad when you buy something like the Box of Awesomeness, because you don't have to pay shipping, and that's how they make the money off this stuff. I got a Doge patch. I got a little hex patch. This focuses in there. And then I got a Banff mag, 30 round mag. It's pretty cool. It has red on it, which matches, if you can see over in the corner, my red, pull it out here, my red Polar Star G&G. So it's pretty cool. It matches pretty well with my color scheme I've got going on there. So that looks pretty cool. The next thing. So this is something that I bought personally for me. This was about $80. Let's grab this. So this is the Matrix, I think it is. It's an Angel Custom. This is a drum mag. That's a flash mag pull. So there's no electric or anything. You pull this and it loads up everything in here. This is a 1500 round drum mag. That's gonna go inside my G&G Polar Star because I need something that feeds a little better. The last thing that's in here, I got these two little, I already did these, but these little HPA, I think they're called the Russian, let me see. This is called the CQB Russian HPA adapter for WE pistols. So this one is nice because I can hook these up right to my HPA tank and good to go. These are green gas mags. All you gotta do is just unscrew it and put these in there. It's really awesome. And then you don't have to worry about your green gas running out. So on to our next box. And like I said, this is probably going to be the Desert Eagle or some other kind of pistol, and then the CR47, I think is what it's called. This was a no M4 box. So first, I do not know what this is. It's not a pistol. Let's go with the CYMA box. This is the best one to open up because we already know what this one's going to be. This is the Sima. I'm pretty sure this is the, yes. So my battery actually just died, but this is the Sima 47, or CR47. I think it has a battery in the back. It's kind of what it feels like. Oh, I guess not. It just has a really nice stock on it. So it's got the little rails on the sides, a little suppressor in the front, which is pretty cool. And then of course it's got a metal AK mag that just feeds in here somehow. Just feeds like that. It's very weird. So there is that. I don't know if that can be seen very well, but it's not bad. This is what came with every single box in there. This scuff marks all over this. So we'll move this out of the way and figure out what in the world came in here. So that was a guarantee This looks like an open box of some type. Oh, awesome. Okay, so this was actually a good buy. I actually got one of the rare guns inside of the box. I actually kind of thought this was MP7. This is just as cool. This actually takes M4 mags, so this will actually be pretty cool. So I also got the little Boba Fett guy here, little Doge patch, and there's just stuff everywhere. This is an open box, but I don't know if you guys can see this. I got another hex patch actually in here. This is the EVIKE. I'll actually bring this around real quick. So if you guys can see this, I don't remember the name of it actually. Knight's Armament. It's like a little PDW-like thing. It's actually very, very cool looking. It's full metal. I'm pretty sure this is a CO2 mag though. You can see that. I wonder if this feeds, I don't know if this will feed any other type of mag besides the CO2 versions, but that's pretty sweet. So this was a 9-winner box, I think. So I actually got very lucky with this box. This is very cool. And this is what it looks like with the mag in. And there's like some little, I think these are like, oh, so this flash hider's got jacked up a lot. So this flash hider just comes right off. Looks like this is an open box item, so this thing kind of just slides right off here. I'm not sure how this goes on here, but somehow this screws on here. I'll have to look at this. I'm guessing it goes on like that, something like that. That is awesome. That is a cool deal there. So that is, oh, it just fell off. That's the box of awesomeness, Valentine style. Follow our page on YouTube. Follow our Instagram and a couple other things. But this is a good box of awesomeness for me. This is my first one. Let me know what you guys got in the comments, and that's it.